Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Bumpy dating app. Let's begin. So once you've downloaded the app, you're going to have two options at the bottom. You could either continue with your Google accounts or continue with email. So I'm going to select Google. So first thing is, it's going to ask for your name. So you're going to enter your name there. Then it'll ask you to enter your date of birth. Afterwards, it'll ask you to select your gender. So I'm going to select I'm a male. And next. Who are you looking for? Women. Next. What is your goal? Find a relationship. So there are different options that you can choose from. Get married, find a relationship, chat and meet friends, learn other cultures, then travel the world. So you can choose which one you want. And then you go and select next. Then you're going to go to the bottom, then select build my profile. So here you just have to include your interests, such as your hobbies, sports and music, pets, so on. So I'm just going to select poetry, then climbing, folk music, then dogs, cafes, tea, then mountains, and then I'm going to go to the bottom right corner that select save. And then you can also choose what is your sexual orientation. So you can just choose from the given list there. So I'm going to skip for now. And then what is your star sign? I'm going to say Leo. And then do you do sports? Then you can just choose, say, regularly. What is your education level in college? What is your marital status? So are you single, married, in a relationship, divorced? So you can just choose. And do you have kids? And if not, then you're going to select not yet. But if you have, then you're going to choose. So I'm going to skip for now. Do you drink? You can also choose often on holidays, sometimes never. So it's your choice. Do you smoke? Regularly, when drink, sometimes never. Do you have pets? Dogs? Do you identify with atheism, Buddhism? So you can just choose from the list given here. So I'm going to skip for now. What is the most important thing in life for you? So then you can also choose from there. So now it says add more about you. Let other users know more about you. You can change this information at any time. So you can say something like, I like dogs and cats. And then you go and select done. Now it says add your first photo. You can replace the photo at any time. So once you've created your account, you are going to be given a pack. So we have the most popular one. So the week, you're going to be charged weekly or monthly. So then we have different options here. Basically what this does is it's going to give you a lot of features that the free version does not have. So when you see a person, you can either swipe right or left. So it's basically like Tinder. So let's say you don't want to meet up with this person, you're going to swipe left. So it says you're not interested, skip Sabrina by pressing pass. You go to the next profile. So yes, pass. Then again, or right if you want to. Then you can also go to the map there in the map tab at the bottom. Then tap to see a profile so you can view who is nearby. So it says here, upgrade to gold to see who liked you. So previously what I said was that you're going to be given various packs. So when you purchase them, you'll be able to see who liked you and viewed your profile. And then you can just start a conversation from there. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.